Mm. It actually is working. All right. So if you will be kind enough to step behind the cones at the side. That's right. Dr. Tom for the STEM class, STEM club today in the exposition gathered two classes, and this is our second class. We're going to launch these rockets in about 2 minutes, and then after that, we have a couple of more rockets that we have built here, including the famous egg rocket. What is it going to do? I don't know. So if you all will step to the rack at this time, you can put on the rocket on any of the rails. We use these rails to guide the rocket up the first 2 feet of flight until the fins will take over, kind of like feathers do on an arrow, to keep the rocket true and straight in its path. So that's what it is. We've aimed the rocket somewhat into the wind because the fins on the rocket not only act like feathers on an arrow, but they also act like vanes on a weather vane. So when the rocket goes up, it should cock into the wind, aim into the wind. They each have a recovery device. In this case, it's a parachute. They put a parachute in each rocket. When the parachute blossoms, it'll come back this way. Here we go. The safety key is engaged. We'll check continuity. This is what I was telling the students. We have an electrical circuit that's going through. We're seeing that by the presence of a green light, so we know we're good to go. And so I'll give a countdown. Dr. Ball will push the firing button on the count of 1. Just depress it and pull it down. And if everything works all right, who's on rail 1? We got the Raza team rockets, okay? All right.
I think Dr. Raza wants to touch that rocket.
Yeah. And Raza, you going to join us?
Raza, go to the rocket.
Okay. All right. Let me get this rogues gallery too here. Okay. Perfect. All right, are you ready? Range safety is go. Pamela's arm. Time is running. T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Wow, that was higher than I thought. Some influence. Through the woods. Give him a big hand. Wasn't that great? That was our faculty representation today. All right, I'm going to pull the plug. And I'm going to aim it a little bit more into the wind because we want to get it back on our side of the fence. All right? Do a repair on 2. In order to guide the rocket up the first 2 feet of flight, we put a launch lug, otherwise known as the soda straw, on the side. And the glue on the straw did not set quite yet, so I'm going to supplement it and we'll get it up in a second. Officer, you go. She is go. Pamela's arm. Time is running. T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. Right, up and away, arcing over. Listen for the pop. I heard it. And the parachute is out. It should be coming back towards us.
Okay, Jess. Oh, that was good. Not that far. Not that bad.
I don't know about one. Is yours next? Yours is? Come on up, Ginger. Ginger's going to fly hers next. You ready, Ginger? Our launch officer is ready. Range safety is go. Panel is armed. Time is running. Just depress it at the count of 1 and hold it down. Don't punch it. And here goes the count at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Up, up, and away. And it's off to the races. Sometimes you get a lot of hot air that comes off of the microphone or the grass, and what will happen is it'll actually boil it up, and you'll get a catch of thermal.
That's not bad at all. Wow.
Come to the jaws of death. Run that liquor store. I'm going to make rockets. Don't you think, Nicole? You should think that's what he's going to do. All right. Here we go with rail number 3. Who's on 3? Is it 4?
A 4.
All right, not to be undone. 4. I like your hat, Chris. I don't know where. I've seen one like it somewhere. I'm not sure where. Okay, you ready, Chris?
He's bringing out.
Everyone just depress it and keep the button. Don't punch it. Here we go. Range safety is go. Panel's armed. Microphone is running. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Good shot, Chris. Now, no problem, Chris. Here's what we got right here. This is OSHA approved. Yeah, if you see any wires, seriously, don't do it. And we'll catch you back in mid-May for finals. All right, so with that, who is on rail 5? Ready to go. Range safety is go. Chris is out of the way. T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. There goes Bob's missile. Way up there, arcing over. Parachute is out. It's deployed. You can wait up the hill, Chris. It'll be right there for you in a second. Nationally, all over the world, and they have contests like duration and altitude and building scale models. Let's give Bob a big hand. Wasn't that great? We got just a couple show and tell for your fun. So you ready to go, Joe? Okay. Joe's rockets on rail 6.
Almost last one. Last one?
Oh, there's
Chris is getting it together. I think he's going to reach it. All right, here we go. T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Great job.
Whoa.
Straight up.
That was really good.
It may be trees. Let's see. Chris got his rocket. Looks like he brought his astronaut back.
Oh.
It's not even Christmas and we're decorating the trees already. Okay, well there's a little memento that the college can have to show the successful STEM Club exposition this year. Let's give Joe and all the Rocketeers a big hand. Super job. Now, I want to get the next one out of the way. I know you've heard it advertised and such. Maria put it out on the air. We're going to launch an egg rocket, supposedly, right? Oh my goodness gracious, really? Do we have such a critter? Yeah, unfortunately, the egg rocket, we have it.
Good job, Chris.
Okay, so this is a payload.
I don't think I can get the other one.
I mean, it's possible that you can carry an accelerometer and measure acceleration. You can carry a barometer device, an altimeter, and measure how the altitude is. If you want to see Lincoln fly, you can put a $5 bill in it. All kinds of neat stuff. In this case, what we've done is we've taken a egg that is, it's actually a college egg. The transference went over to me when we paid $1.25 for it. Okay. And Raza donated his funds for this egg, and so we're going to launch it back, and hopefully it won't crack up. So we launched one earlier this morning, and you can see the debris of that inside. What happened was I didn't put enough tape on it, and at about 200 feet up, it just exploded. And so that was it. So I put a lot of tape on it now, and we're going to try it again. I'm going to pull the plug for safety purposes. We find about 11 safety purposes rules that we follow. They're so transparent. We do it so